Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Adobe Acrobat. So let's get started. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. Once you land on the application, make sure to move the cursor towards the menu icon given at the top left corner. Click on it, then select the preference option given within it. Inside the preference window, click on language on the left panel. Here, the language screen opens and make sure to move the cursor towards the application language drop-down option. Within it, you will be given three options. English, second one is choose add application setup, and lastly, same as the operating system. This simply means that the only English language pack is currently installed in your version of Adobe Acrobat, as it does not automatically install all languages. So if you select the English, the app will open in the English, but if you select same as the operating system, the Acrobat will match your window display language, but only if the language is supported and installed. Likewise, if you select choose as application setup, the app will ask you to select for the available install language when it opens. If you want to open the Acrobat in your preferred language, you can just install the current version, then go to the official Adobe Acrobat website, and before downloading, please make sure to select your preferred language from the language section options, then download and install again. And that's it. That's how you can change the language in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.